Now we are ready to evaluate our model. We are going to use this portion of data, which is called X-test, which is around 20% of my data, and we are going to predict it using this model here. Okay? We are going to predict those 20% of data to see if they purchased or not. We are going to predict them one by one. So we are going to pass here this whole X test and just observe the results. I'm going to create a variable which is called y predict. Those are my predictions, and I am letting my Gaussian naive Bayes model do all the prediction. I'm not going to provide him with any answers. I'm going to give him data, and I want him to do some prediction. I'm going to say here model.predict. What do I want to predict? I'm going to be passing those 20% of data all together, okay? And I'm going to be just printing y predict, just to see how it looks like. Well, we have an error. Okay, we forgot a large thing. We forgot to actually encode our data. We forgot to encode our sex column. Okay, let's do that really quickly. It means that we were able to actually do some fitting, but we only got an error when we tried to predict. All right, let me fix this really quickly. I'm going to go to the X here, and I'm just going to say X is equal to pd.get underscore dummies and pass X again. Okay, and here I'm going to print X. We have a small typo here. Okay, now take a look. We have encoded this. So X is fixed. Now let me repeat these two one more time. And here we go. We got our predictions, which are 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's good. You might be saying, but I don't know what I am predicting. Where is my features that are producing these results right here? My features are already inside this X-test actually. So if I just print X-test here, you'll see that these are my features ordered. But the point of me doing this model predict on X-test is not to actually take a look at X-test and just see the Y prediction. No, that's not my point. What I want to do is I want to calculate accuracy. Because right now these results are what my model predicted for me. But I actually have the actual results. It's like I am a teacher and I am letting my student solve some questions and I have all the answers and I can compare every student if he answered correctly or not, right? It is the same thing here. Those are the students right now. Each is answering to his own knowledge. And then I have all the answers. Where all those answers? All of them are in Y test. Okay? All the answers are here. Now, what I need to do, I want to find a way to check every entry to see if it is matching the correct answer or not. There is a very useful function which is called accuracy score. Let us import this. I'm going to say here from sklearn.metrics. I would like to import accuracy underscore score. And I'm just going to say here accuracy underscore score. And I need to pass it the actual data, which is the answers that I am keeping away from the model, and what the model predicted, which is my Y prediction. Okay. Now, if I hit enter, I will get a percentage. It means that here I am 88.75% accurate about my result. So my model is predicting correct answers up to 88.75%.